welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys are doing well. In this channel I upload fashion, styling and lifestyle video twice a week. So don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to see such more video. So far I've shown you guys work from home as well as work from office outfit ideas by using old clothes. So I thought why not do one top haul, that too in budget only. Today I'm going to show you guys my office top haul starting from rupees 238 to 330 rupees only. This is the price range, so let's just dive into it. Let me show you one by one. So first one is this very basic yet classy white color top which comes with this boat neckline, so that will be comfortable in your office. Length is absolutely perfect. Also they have given this amazing print on this front as well as from the back side. It comes with this half sleeves. They have given, this brand has given this elastic on both the hands, so it will be giving a balloon kind of look around your arms area. In fact, as I've mentioned, length for the same is absolutely perfect, so you can tuck it in. मैंने tuck नहीं किया so that आपको आइडिया लग जाए कि इसकी लेंथ कितनी है। एंड आप ऐसी टॉप को बहुत ही डिफरेंट वे में स्टाइल कर सकते हो, अपने स्कर्ट्स के साथ, अपने पैंट्स के साथ, जीन्स के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो। आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. This one is from this brand D&J. Price for the same is 238 rupees. Fabric for the same is viscose. I just loved it. So second one, guys मेरे रूम में ना एक फ्लाई घूम रही है काफ़ी टाइम से, मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रही हूँ. So second one is this pretty pink color frill detail top which comes with this V neckline which is not too broad, and frill is in this front. Also on this back neckline they have given this frill which is of same color only. Length is also absolutely perfect. Sleeves for the same is quarter half sleeves. In fact जो ये इसकी sleeves है ना, इन्होंने इस पे ऐसे strings दिए हैं, so this is only for show. इससे कोई आपके sleeves पे ये tighten up नहीं होने वाला है, so make sure to order your size accordingly. This is not at all stretchable but color is really amazing. आप इसे different way में style कर सकते हो. And in fact ऐसा है जो ये beautiful सा pink color है ना, वो इतनी ईजीली ना मिलता नहीं है, एंड इस प्राइस रेंज में ऑफ कोर्स वो मिल नहीं पाता है, बट आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. आप इसे वर्सटाइल वे में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. फैब्रिक भी बहुत अमेजिंग है इसका. फैब्रिक इज पोलिएस्टर. दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड फ्यूली. एल इज़ द साइज. प्राइस रुपीज़ 330. सॉरी, मैं आपको वाइट वाले टॉप का साइज़ बताना भूल गई. साइज फॉर दैट वन इज़ ऑल्सो एल. So third one is this classic stripe pattern shirt which will never be going out of style. You can style it in numerous way. In fact, these kind of pattern is also nowadays available in Zara for rupees 2800, something like that only. I have seen it, but I have it, so I don't wanted to purchase it, but I wanted to give you guys a dupe for the same if in case. So it comes with this frill details on this neckline. From the back side they have given this keyhole, so you can open it and then you can wear it. Length is also absolutely perfect, इसीलिए मैंने इसे इस शर्ट को टक इन नहीं किया है. Sleeves is quarter half sleeves which comes with this elastic so that it will be giving perfect fit around your arm area. You can style it in different ways with your shorts, with your pants, with your leather skirts. So this is like classic, one of the must have piece for your office wear, I guess so. So if in case you do not have it, so I'm going to share the link in this description. You can purchase it. This one is also from this brand Fuly. L is the size. Price for the same is 294 rupees. So fourth one is this basic cream color button down details top which comes with this V neckline. In fact ये जो button है, this is only for show and they are not going to open it, so make sure to order your size accordingly. From the back side it is completely plain. Half sleeves for the same. Length for the same is also absolutely perfect, so you can style it in different ways. In fact आपने मुझे एक one of the video में देखा होगा, पीच कलर में सेम स्टाइल के टॉप को मैंने पहना था, पीच कलर में था वो. सो यस, मैंने आपको ड्यूप दे दिया अंडर द प्राइस रेंज में. वो वाला मेरा काजो से था. दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड स्टाइली. L is the size. Price for the same is 238 rupees. So fifth one is this amazing floral print top which comes with this ruffle on this neckline. In fact they have given this keyhole in the front. Lacy detail है both the side पे, ज़्यादा नहीं है बट थोड़ा बहुत इन्होंने लेस अटैच किया है. आर्म्स के अराउंड पे they have given this ruffle detail. Sleeves for the same is full sleeves. which comes with this elastic, so it will be giving a perfect fit around your arms area. Both the side pe hai. Also on this top hemline they have given this elastic, so yeah, you can style it in different ways as your. This is really nice. Fabric is cotton. This one I have picked up from this brand DJNC. L is the size. Price for the same is 330 rupees, guys. So last but not the least is this amazing abstract print shimmery detail top, which comes with this elasticated neckline. They have given this keyhole detail around the neck area so that it can perfectly fit around your neck. And I just love these kind of detail where brand thinks so much about the customer. In fact, sleeves for the same is full kind of sleeves, which comes with this elastic on both the hands. Length is also absolutely perfect too. And one of the अमेजिंग थिंग अबाउट दिस ब्रांड इज़ इन्होंने इसके साथ एक स्पेगेटी दिया है, क्योंकि वो टॉप थोड़ा सी थ्रू है ना. सच अमेजिंग थिंग जहाँ पे ब्रांड्स इतनी छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स को कंसिडर करते हैं ना, मुझे वो चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है. वेदर इट इज़ नेक लाइन पे उन्होंने इलास्टिक दिया है, या अगर ये सी थ्रू है तो एक स्पेगेटी दे दिया अंडर सच अ डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. जहाँ पे brands, whether it is packaging or any XYZ thing, they think about customers need. So I just loved it, so I just wanted to mention it. This one is from this brand Fig. L is the size. Price rupees 280 rupees. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel to see such more video.